Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing a platform called Outseta, and this is an amazing platform if you want to have an all-in-one membership software. You want to create some membership based system for your platform or any type of brand. This is the platform for you guys. Now, some of its amazing features are that you can simply monetize on their website, SaaS product, or online community, and you can also create a billing system if you want to add a plan. You have the fields like name. Also, you can see various other fields that you can totally customize, like for example, plan family, description, and either the plan is active or not. Now, an important feature here is that you can add authentication, so the user that are going to be simply accessing your platform are going to be logging in, and also of course they're going to be signing up before and then they are going to be logging in, and it will define the level of their membership and what features they can access onto your platform. So that is really amazing thing. Now the CRM, we have the dashboard for everything and all the subscriptions that are currently active and you are running. You can simply get the statistical view for that from here, and you can see the engagement, people, account information, and also the customer lifetime revenue. So all of that will be available in here. Talking about email, from transactional emails to newsletter and automations, our email marketing tools deliver your messages with surgical precision. So if you want to do email marketing and email broadcasts and supply your information to your subscribers, you can easily do that as well, and much more. So it has to offer a lot. Make sure to give it a try. And Outseta, you can head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and extended free trails. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.